Hello everyone, in today's video I'll show you on how you can fix package installer keep stopping problem on Android. So the first thing that you want to do is to simply head over to the settings of your Android. Now you can do this by simply searching settings on your menu, and from here you will then be taken to this page. You simply want to look for the app list. Now there's going to be different Android models out there. So there's going to be different presets, but in my case, there's going to be the apps section on the settings itself. Now I'll just wait for the page to load in and it will take me to all of the applications installed to my device. Basically on this page, we want to look for the application called package installer. So let's navigate through the P section. Or in some phones, it's going to look something like the Meta app installer. You simply want to look for the package installer or the app installer on this specific section right here. Once inside, you then want to navigate through the storage option, and then you want to clear the data and the cache for this application. And from there, you are basically good to go. You can now try installing your APK file, and that's it. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.